Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 16 Plus and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you want to personalize, mark Edit, and click on Add Photo. So you can either open your camera and grab photo right now, you can choose something from gallery, you can add some emoji or create a monogram, whatever you prefer. Let me choose one from my photos. For example, this one. Okay, so you can create a poster, as you can see, and zoom it in and out. You can do it this way. So not only we can add photo, but create the poster. Here, tap on more icon to mark depth effect. Okay, it's not possible with this picture. So tap on done, and the poster is added. This is how it looks. Tap on continue, and now you can smoothly crop contact photo. Let me just choose a different photo. Again, open photos, choose the album, mark choose. Then you can add some different filter, tap on next, and click on continue. So that's it. As you can see, from now you've got both poster and profile picture added, mark done to save it, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.